Today, in my Onshape tutorial series, I'm going to share with you how to use the sweep feature. In order to use the sweep tool, you need to have two sketches. The first sketch you need is a profile, which would be like a small slice of the shape that you want to sweep. And the second sketch you need is the path that you would like the sweep to follow. I'll begin by creating a very simple sweep using a sketch on the right here, and I'll just sketch a simple circle. Now I'll create the second sketch on the top plane, and for this sketch I'm going to use the spline tool. When I switch back to trimetric view, you'll see that sketch 2 intersects with sketch 1 here at the origin. Sketch 2 is not fully defined. It's still possible to model a part with a sketch that's not fully defined. It's just not ideal to do so. The next step in this process is to click the sweep tool. In the first blue box there, you need to select the faces and sketch regions to sweep. So that would be that circle. And then in the second box here, which is the sweep path, you need to select the second sketch. You can see there from the preview that Onshape has calculated that sweep. And if you click the tick, that sweep has completed. Perhaps, like from the previous video, you'd like to make a donut shape or a torus shape, but you don't want to do a complete revolve. You could create a section of a torus shape using the sweep tool in a similar fashion. Okay, now using the sweep tool again, here I'll select the profile, and in path I'll select the path sketch. There you can see I've created a part of a torus shape or a section of a donut shape. You can use the sweep tool to create all kinds of fantastic and wonderful complex geometry. In this path I have two right angles, and when I go to create the sweep here, the sweep will continue along and will stop at the end of the straight line. But if I click to add each line, the swept profile will continue along all of those selected lines in the sketch. With the sweep tool, the sketches do not need to intersect with each other. As you can see here, this profile sketch here does not intersect on any axes with the path sketch, yet I can still create a swept boss base from those two sketches, even though they did not intersect at any point. Another interesting way of working with a swept boss base in Onshape is you can actually sweep the end of a face without having a sketch on it. I can just click the face of sweep 1 here, click on that profile there. That will continue the face right through following that sketch. That can be done off the end of any flat face. The sweep feature also allows you to remove material. If I wanted to remove a small notch out of this entire part here, I could sketch that notch on one face like this, and then using the previous sketches as the sweep path, I can now change the selection here from new to remove, and then in the sweep path I can select sketch 3. I could then take this surface here that remains, once again use the sweep tool, this time following the path on sketch 2. Once again, changing that selection to remove here. Click the tick and you can see there I've created that notch consistently along the entire path. There's my abstract demonstration of how you can use the sweep tool. If you'd like to see this tool used for a specific purpose, please stick a comment there. I'll do my best to respond. That's it for now. See ya.